Opposition leaders in Maharashtra held a dramatic protest outside Vidhan Bhavan on Wednesday, condemning Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad's assault on a hostel canteen employee and the state government's failure to act decisively. Members of the United Opposition Mahavikas Aghadi, which includes Shiv Sena UBT, Congress and NCP Sharad Chand Pawar, led by Shiv Sena MLC Ambadas Dhanvi and NCP MLA leader Jitendra Ahwad, arrived at the assembly in vests and towels worn as lungis, staging what they called a Chaddi Banyan gang protest. Raising slogans on the assembly steps, the leaders carried placards denouncing what they described as Gundaraj under the ruling BJP Shiv Sena Mahayuti alliance. Quote, "We condemn the Chaddi Banyan gang," they shouted in reference to the alleged lawlessness they attribute to some within the ruling alliance. It might have been inspired by the viral video in which Gaikwad was seen assaulting a canteen employee. He was also wearing lungi and banyan in that video. For background, there was an outrage after a video surfaced showing Sanjay Gaikwad, MLA from Buldhana, physically assaulting a canteen worker at the Akashwani MLA hostel in Churchgate. According to officials, Gaikwad had ordered food to his room, found it stale, and reacted by entering the canteen and slapping and punching employee Yogesh Kutran. After that, he also went on a tirade against Shetty community and outsiders in the state. Leader of the opposition Ambadas Dhanvi said this shows that even the government is backing such elements. Shiv Sena UBT leader Sachin Ahir added, "A non-cognizable complaint is an eyewash. An FIR must be filed. The government gives statements, not action." Despite calls for strict measures, Gaikwad defended his action, stating that he hit the canteen manager, not the staff, and stood by his behavior. Quote, "I knew the route I took was wrong, but it led to the right outcome," he said, referencing the Maharashtra Food and Drug Administration's cancellation of the canteen's license after the incident. Gaikwad went further, making controversial remarks against the Shetty community, widely associated with coastal Karnataka. Speaking with NDTV, he had said these Shetties of the south have defamed Maharashtra's culture. Dance bars, ladies bars, all this has been going on for too long. The Sena MLA remains unapologetic, claiming his actions helped highlight public grievances. He even said he would repeat them if faced with a similar situation. He abruptly ended a live interview with NDTV when pressed on accountability. The Supreme Court and public bodies are yet to comment about possible further action.